I want the clarification for this.
Sweden is one of the most advanced countries in cybersecurity. And we are not saying we are the best, but we are.
We're said in the GSL.
I've mentioned we have always been the forefront. But we are continuously updating our rules, our regulations, and we are, as I also mentioned in the GSL, that we are now taking new initiatives such as NIS2 directive and the upcoming Digital Operation Resilience Act, in which one of the key components is public-private collaboration, in which we not only include big countries, big companies, but also small and medium-sized businesses, and have many initiatives for them, such as Cybersecurity for SMEs, which is headed by the MSB, and also other agencies.
According to the CIS agency, between January 2020 and June 2024, threat sectors with political intent launched 12 cyber attacks against various companies of critical infrastructure in Sweden. What do you say about this?
We have launched new policies for that.
It is the latest news that you had June 2024 that you have the cyber attacks on your country.
The Digital Operations Resilience Act will be imposed in January 2025, under which we will take actions against these companies and will restrict our laws for them.
The March 2024 against the actions of websites of Swedish government institutions was later registered cyber attacks with the political intent.
We are doing our best to put them.
But you also had the 12 cyber attacks between 4 years.
I know.
When you are saying that you are doing the best of your country.
We are updating our policies and our legal framework for that. We are applying, we comply with the international standards and still doing better. Still doing improving our policies.
Sorry? Yes, you can. Which country, but you want to?
I can ask a question from the coordinator.
The delegate of Egypt, right? From the delegate of Egypt. Okay, delegate of Egypt. क्या करा?
Where you were targeting South Africa, with only 70% of the people which are fully vaccinated, right? I'm not sure.
Sri Lanka.
Why you are paying attention to that when your population is only 48% fully vaccinated?
China.
Okay.
Yes, delegate of Sri Lanka, you may have the floor. Delegate of Pakistan. उसके पीछे पड़ गए.
I would like to say that reason is not proper vaccination and also infrastructure.
Anything else?
My question was about infant mortality rates. Vaccination is not the answer, it is infrastructure and build good infrastructure in this country. You are currently under lot of billions of dollars. And then unstable government, how will you gather the funds to make a good infrastructure?
I agree that the infant mortality rate is high and infrastructure is not good. The country is under a good mood. That is also correct. And also the economy is unstable. Is correct. Politics is unstable. Is correct. Now, with so much instability, the country is currently focusing on growing its economy and at least trying it's trying its most to improve healthcare infrastructure. But right now we cannot do much because of so much political instability and a lot of debt.
Anything else, delegate of Sri Lanka? Very nice answer by the delegate of Pakistan.
What do you think about the future?
I request all the delegates to please not only to target a single country. I request you all to not be biased with any single country, you know. So please, yes, you can, but after it, please avoid of targeting things.
What do you think about the future? Like, how do you clear that and improve your healthcare future? Like, we are running a program, actively leveraging our country and serving the public.
Actually, the problem cannot be solved just by the public and the government. There's a lot of less. We are getting it and we are trying to improve with that. Also, one reason for political instability and definitely Pakistan is needed and it's very difficult military coup. The political instability is so much that no prime minister has ever completed its 5 years. And also, the military coups are so frequent that the military, when we are trying to improve the military, randomly comes and takes over the government. And also, public is the support of the military. So, we cannot do anything for that, but we are trying to reduce the power in the hand of military and give it to the hand of government.
Yes, delegate of USA.